Hi guys, welcome to a series of video sessions. This is the first video that I'm going to tell you how to design and develop a protractor framework, protractor test automation framework from scratch. So this is the first video. We are going to look at the initial setup and just run an initial script to make sure our environment is fine and working perfectly. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to go and to Google, Chrome, and or any browser that you have, and type nodejs.org/en, and you have to install the Node.js since we are starting development in JavaScripting. So Protractor is based on Node.js, and once it gets downloaded, just double click on it and install it. Okay, once installing, you will get Node Package Manager facilitated in your machine. So go to command prompt, and here what we are going to do is we are going to install Protractor. npm install -g Protractor. So I'm installing Protractor 5.4.0 because current 6.00, the new version, has an inherent bug. So I'm installing 5.4.0, and once I press enter, it will start installing Protractor into your system. So you can see that it is getting installed. So once it's installed, go back to Google, and you have to have Selenium standalone server. So get the latest standalone server, and that is 3.141.59, and download it, put it to a specific location. So mine it's on C drive Selenium. Then the next thing is to bring up the standalone server. So go to command prompt, go to the Selenium folder, that is my folder that I have Selenium standalone server. Type java -jar Selenium standalone server. So then it will start the Selenium standalone server. Next thing that you're going to do, since I'm running on Chrome, my test scenario, I have to download Chrome driver. So the Chrome driver download, type Chrome driver download in your Google. Go to this site and download, do not download 74 because Chrome drive 74, because Chrome 74 has not come yet. So try to get Chrome 73, the latest one before the latest, and try to download this Chrome driver Win32 zip. After downloading it, have it in your Selenium folder, C drive Selenium. This is my driver. So you have to I have currently brought up the driver. So what I'll do is I'll put back the drive. Okay, I'll bring the driver back. So you have to bring the driver. So you have to double click on it and bring the driver. So double click on it and it will come up in your background. Then what you have to do is you have to go to the test files that I have. So I will tell you the test files. This is my configuration file where it uses Jasmine2 framework, and it has the Selenium address, the hub address, or the standalone server address, that is localhost port number 4444, and the location. In the specs parameter, I have given the location of my test file. My test file is this one. So then what I have done is I have given the browser under capabilities node, I have given the browser name as Chrome. So this is how we start kicking off. This is the configuration file that is needed to tell Protractor which browser, which URL the Selenium standalone server is there, and which which test that we had to run in which location, okay, what framework to use. So after that I have scripted a JavaScript based protractor scenario where it will go to the browser, type google.lk and type Selenium and submit, and it will click on the text Selenium IDE. So let's save both and bring up a new command window, and what I do is I'll go to my driver where I have my protractor script. So cd protractor, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run with the command protractor conf. I'm going to run my configuration file and click enter. So you can see it's starting and sending the request to Selenium standalone server, and it goes to the browser and type Selenium, clicks on Selenium IDE. There we go. So the test is passed, no failures. So this is the first video that shows you, brings any person to protractor scripting and creating of a framework. Thank you guys, hope you like the video. Please put a like on the LinkedIn post.